Wrap your baby in the comfort of the original Swaddle wrap, Swaddle Me, and rest assured that baby will sleep safe, sound, and secure. Swaddling soothes newborns by recreating the familiar, comforting snugness of the womb and helps prevent the startle reflex from waking them, so babies and parents sleep more soundly. Recent research shows that swaddling may help reduce the risk of SIDS by promoting better sleep when babies are on their back. This original Swaddle wrap has some amazing, easy-to-use features and benefits. It has a leg pouch for easy diaper changes. The leg pouch pops down for easy diaper changes with no need to unwrap baby's arms. The Swaddle wrap works with most 5-point harnesses. This Swaddle wrap grows with baby. Adjustable fabric wings hug the baby close and stay secure in place with self-fasteners. As baby grows, the wings can be adjusted for a perfect fit. This award-winning #1 swaddler is pediatrician recommended and sure to securely soothe and relax your newborn.